How we going, boys? And who have we got? Bailey. Sorry, I didn't catch it. We had the who we got? No, you're right, mate. Not got it. Let me get out of the way. Mate, unless you want to do it yourself, you can't knock someone for working on your car. So, how'd you go in qualifying?
Yeah, it was pretty good. I went out and ended up P3, so pretty happy with that. So.
You can't complain about that. That's pretty sharp. You're the best one we've heard so far.
It was a good go, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Second really good, so good spot for the race.
Your setup must have been pretty spot on then.
Yeah, Tom's car, so I just jumped in. It was a very good race. Set up some point.
Been working on it throughout the day. Like we did the practice sessions and just kind of went through the setup, made some changes and watched the data. Just saw how it affected having the time.
Those cars are pretty loud. Starts are always busy. So you must have had a pretty good grasp on your setup before and did good preparation leading up to the event then?
Yeah, I mean, well, this is kind of the first run for the car. The first race, we had electrical dramas, so it didn't actually finish. Didn't have a great job then, but yeah, did some prep, made sure the car was all straight, set up, and hopefully it'll make 30-90 minutes, that's for sure.
So that was at Bathurst?
No, that was the first round of the New South Wales thing.
Okay, yep. No one had a good event at Bathurst, so there's no complaints. Yeah, so how are you going to go for the race, you reckon? Who's going to start?
I'll be starting the race and just try and sort of maintain position and get it over to Tom midway through.
So you've raced before?
I've done a couple of Excel races, but I've raced in the 86 series.
Yep. That's a good series for racing. So Erebus Academy on your suit, you've gone through there, have you?
Yeah, so I'm part of the Erebus Academy. We got selected in go-karts, we tried out for it, and we're lucky enough to be a part of it. So they've been a great help and supported me in my racing career.
Would have developed your racecraft quite a lot.
Yeah, for sure. Having walk around, running stepping in the corner, pick up their knowledge.
Anyone you want to thank from that, or point out that gave you a good bit of a step up?
Just the whole Erebus Academy crew, really.
Okay. Yeah, all right, no, that's good. So, starting at P3, what's the plan from there?
Yeah, Bailey's starting. He showed some good pace and he's been consistent. So I think just go out there, make the moves, kind of get into a rhythm. It's going to be a long race.
Nothing too crazy. Just not race up some fun until the end.
So, if you're starting at the pointy end, what are your lap times comparisons to? Are you fairly close in each other's lap times?
Yeah, we're very close.
About a second or so.
That's good. That's good. So if you get a lead, Bailey, you can keep it.
Oh yeah, we hope so. The main good thing is Bailey's got so much experience, so we're going off the data and stuff. Having him as a benchmark's really good. So we had there's a few things that I can work on and chase, and 45 minutes is a long time.
Yeah, it is.
A lot of time to chip away at it and hopefully get already broke a PB today. So.
How many laps are you expecting to get in 45
It's like 23 each.
Should be done to 22 minutes a lap. So.
Yeah, okay. Well, that's a good chunk of racing under your belt at one time. You get the nerves out of your system. You can actually start to, sink your teeth into it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Race, anything happens. So.
Yeah. So starting P3 again. There's not going to be too many people in front of you. I think one of those is going to be Russell Ingall and Brock Feeney.
Yeah.
You couldn't really hope to get on first when you got those two in your sights.
Well, Russell is going to be starting, so I'm going to be racing in the same day.
So who's that, Russell?
Russell's starting.
Okay, I was going to ask who's starting, because sitting behind a driver like that, you're going to learn quite a lot.
I'm sure I'm going to learn a lot following him and getting roughed up by him, that's for sure.
Yeah, so as long as you don't go trying to move like Mark Scaife did that time, I don't think you're going to get off too roughly with the Enforcer. I think he might give you a bit of room, as long as you give him some room too. So, yeah. Oh, mate. Excel Cups, it's balls to the wall racing. They're racing for sheep stations. They don't hold back. So just watch out. So controversial. I think that just comes with the territory, doesn't it?
It's very close.
Yeah. No, mate. Thank you for your interviews, boys. It's been really, really good. We might catch up with you after the race if we can. See how you go. Good luck.